Hey, hello everyone, my name is Alessandro Buffoli, welcome to my tech channel. So today I wanted to show you something very useful, something very cool, and something that will help you with your productivity. So the application, the module, the thing that I'm talking about is called Good Look by Samsung. You can't install it in all country because I don't know why, but you just can't. So I'm in Italy and I can't officially install it. So I'm going to show you a little introduction about what this is, and then I'll show you how to install it. So basically, the Good Look module, the Good Look application will help you, will allow you to install little modules to improve the performance or the productivity or change some stuff in the application in the Samsung ecosystem. So for example, I'll show you my task manager, that is basically this one. As you can see, is a grid. It simulates a multi-application interaction, and you can open every application from here like a normal task manager. Indeed, if I want to open the browser, I just click over. Or I don't know, if I want to open a little window, a pop-up windows, I just drag this, I just press and drag over here in the middle, release it, and as you can see, we have these little pop-up windows without any problem. Of course, now my internet is not really great, but however. And let's just pause it, and of course you can go over here again, and I don't know, I want to open Google from here in split screen mode. I just need to drag it open or down. As you can see, I can release it here, and I have 3 applications open at once. There is the middle row here where you can interact with it. You can change, of course, the application. And oh, the last thing that I want to show you is this easy one. So you can just drag it and have a pop-up windows just like that. I know that this feature were already implemented in the Samsungs, but now with the new application, with the new updates, you can't use this you can use this gesture to interact with applications, so it's very useful. So if you are in a country where you can install it, just go over, not this one, just go over the Galaxy Store and write Good Look, just like that. And as you can see, I don't have the sweet Good Look, so I have to install it. So okay, I have installed everything and I restarted my phone. As I said, that if you are in my condition, you need to go over this page. You can find the link in the description below. That is basically apkmirror.com, and you can go down here and download the APK. That basically is Samsung Good Look. Some user will say that you don't need Samsung Good Look, you just need nice look, but with some module you can have issues, so I'll advise you to install it, and it's basically 2 or 3 megabytes, so it doesn't cost you anything. Once the application is being downloaded, you have to install it. So here, install it, and boom, we're good to go. Click open, but as you can see, we'll say that we are not connecting to the server or something. Oh yeah, there was a network or server error. Anyway, this app won't do anything, so leave it alone and leave it install it. Now go over the Play Store here and write nice look. Here we go. Click install. Okay, now that is installed, click open. And as you can see, we can see all the modules that we don't have installed. Oh, I forgot to uninstall Task Changer, and as you can see, it says that is updated, but every other app is not installed. So if you want to install any application, you can check my videos, and if I didn't publish anything yet, just wait few days and you will find every application. I'm gonna to do a little video for every one of these applications so you can follow and you can understand what a module is and why you need to install it, if you need it or not. And that's it guys. As you can see, it was really simple to install it. If you have any doubt, if you have any question, just write in the comment section below. If you liked this video, if it was helpful, please remember to leave a thumbs up. It really helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. And of course, if you want, subscribe to my channel. I will do some pretty cool videos. Well, that's it for today guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.